Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a review on KETOFIT nutrition bars. These are supposed to be macro balanced for a ketogenic lifestyle. So I'm going to give them a taste test. We're going to go over the nutrient facts and the ingredients list. And then I'm going to give you my complete overview and opinion on them and whether or not these need to be a part of your ketogenic lifestyle. All right, let's go ahead and try this out. I gotta admit, I'm a little skeptical of really any kind of bar because I've had a lot of different ones, like Quest bars. I used to eat Cliff bars too and stuff like that, and there's just not many out there that really have a good taste or texture to them. Honestly, there's always a little too much of something or a little too little of taste or texture, so hopefully these are a little bit better than that. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh yeah, that's really good. They got a really really nice texture to them. They're not too chewy or too crunchy. They're a good mix in between. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of chocolate in general. Just regular chocolate is just not my thing. But these, it's not just more of a milk chocolate, but honestly, these kind of remind me of hot cocoa. Now, I know that's weird, maybe, but they taste really good, and that's the closest thing that I can give you a description on to really be completely accurate with the taste of these. And these have a perfect balance of sweetness to them. They're not overly sweet, but they're just sweet enough. And honestly, I'd rather something like this be not sweet enough than overly sweet, because usually when stuff like this is overly sweet, it's just absolutely sickening. So far, great taste and great texture, and I have made a mess. But let's go to the back of this and check out the nutrient facts and the ingredients list. Okay, so I'm just going to hit on the most important points here. We've got 290 calories, 25 grams of total fat, 9 grams of saturated fat. Total carbs is 13 grams and 10 grams of fiber, so that equals out to 3 net carbs. That's good. Only 2 grams of sugar and no sugar alcohol, so that's definitely a big plus to some people that might have bad effects from sugar alcohols. And 12 grams of protein. So we're looking good there. For the ingredients, we got organic almond butter, chicory root fiber, cacao butter, grass-fed collagen, organic 100% cacao chocolate chips, MCT oil powder, sunflower lecithin, and that's definitely a big plus because a lot of companies use soybean lecithin, erythritol, organic coconut oil, organic cocoa, natural flavors, pink Himalayan salt, and stevia. Another interesting thing is on the back of this, it says try blended with coffee. Now, I haven't tried that yet, obviously, but I've seen people do it online with these, and I've heard it's very good. So if you like coffee and you like the taste of hot chocolate, hot cocoa, that would definitely be something to try out with these. So just real quick before I give my complete overview on these, I just want to give a special thanks to KETOFIT for sending these to me to review them, because I've been thoroughly impressed. So for the overview, what I'm going to say is, if you ever had a Quest bar, these are kind of like the upgrade to that. Now don't get me wrong, I do like Quest bars, but they're a little bit more on the chewy side. With these, you've got that perfect median, perfect happy place between chewy and crunchy. They're meeting right in the middle with each other. And also with Quest bars, they have a little bit of a funky aftertaste. It's not horrible and it don't last very long, but with these, there is no funky or weird aftertaste. There's just straight up great, perfect sweetness and an amazing hot chocolate, hot cocoa kind of taste. With these, you're going to be riding the hot chocolate roller coaster. So the taste and texture of these is completely on point, and after looking at the macros, these are completely in line with a ketogenic lifestyle. So I'd have to highly recommend these if you haven't tried them yet and you do keto. After doing keto for almost 4.5 years now, I've tried a lot of different bars as they've come out, low carb bars or ketogenic bars. And so far, these are the best tasting ones that I've had, and these have the best texture. Now, currently they only have this flavor, chocolate, available, but they are working on coming out with a salted caramel flavor. And at the time of posting this video, that might already be out. I'll be sure to let you know that above the link in the description that I'm going to have to their website that you can go and check these out and pick some up. Another thing too is these are great for on the go. If you got a real busy lifestyle and you're running back and forth doing things all day, these are easy. You just simply pick one up, throw it in your bag, put it in your pocket, wherever. It's right there ready to eat when you're ready to eat. But that's my complete honest review and opinion on KETOFIT nutrition bars. So make sure you pick some up if you ain't tried them yet. But keep it keto, keep it healthy, and I'll catch you guys later.